In today's digital landscape, websites are increasingly complex. Users demand rich, interactive experiences. This is where dynamic components come into play. They adapt and change based on user interactions. That's the power of dynamic components. They create flexible, maintainable web experiences. Dynamic components change appearance and behavior without a full-page reload. Think of a product card on an e-commerce site. One dynamic component can represent different products. This saves development time and resources. Embrace dynamic components for interactive web applications. They are well suited for frameworks like React and Vue.js. These frameworks handle UI updates efficiently. Define components as reusable building blocks. Combined with Tailwind CSS, building dynamic components is a breeze. Next.js, a popular React framework, takes dynamic component development to the next level. It offers server-side rendering and built-in routing, making applications fast and SEO-friendly. Tailwind CSS provides a vast library of predefined CSS classes for quick styling. Together, they create a potent combination for building dynamic components. Next.js handles data fetching, while Tailwind CSS streamlines styling. Tailwind CSS ensures responsive designs, making components look great on all devices. Let's bring the concept of dynamic components to life with a real-world example. Imagine we're building the homepage for a travel blog. We have a Figma design that includes a section for featured articles. Each featured article card displays the article's title, a brief description, the author's name, and a captivating image. In Figma, we can design this featured article card as a single component. We can then use this component as a template to create multiple instances, each representing a different article. Each instance can have its unique content, such as the article title, description, and image. To translate this Figma design into code, we can leverage the power of Next.js and Tailwind CSS. We'll start by creating a new Next.js component for the featured article card. This component will accept props for the article's title, description, author, and image URL. Section 4, Building Reusable Components, Step-by-Step Guide. Inside the component, we'll use Tailwind CSS classes to style the card's layout, typography, and imagery. For instance, we can use classes like for a white background, for padding, for rounded corners, and for a subtle drop shadow. We can also use Tailwind's responsive modifiers to ensure that our card looks great on different screen sizes. For example, we can use to display the card content in a row on medium-sized screens and above, JSX, import image from next image. The component takes in props like title, description, author, and image URL. Here's how you can structure it. Const featured article card, equal sign, title, description, author, image early, equal sign, return. Export default featured article card. Section 5. Efficiency and maintainability, the dynamic advantage. By embracing dynamic components, we've significantly improved the efficiency and maintainability of our code. Instead of creating repetitive HTML for each featured article, we now have a single source of truth for this UI element. If we ever need to update the appearance or functionality of the featured article card, we only need to make changes in one place. This dramatically reduces the risk of errors and inconsistencies across our application. Dynamic components also enhance the user experience by allowing us to update parts of the UI without requiring a full-page refresh. This results in a smoother, more responsive, and more engaging experience for our users. Moreover, dynamic components promote code reusability, a cornerstone of efficient software development. Imagine needing to display featured articles on other pages of our travel blog, such as a category page or a search results page. With our reusable component, we can easily achieve this without duplicating code. We simply import the component and pass in the relevant data for each instance. Section 6. Conclusion. Embrace the power of dynamic components. In conclusion, dynamic components are essential for building modern, interactive, and maintainable web applications. Next.js and Tailwind CSS provide a robust and efficient toolkit for creating these components. By embracing the principles of component-based architecture, we can significantly improve our development workflow and deliver exceptional user experiences. As you embark on your web development journey, I encourage you to explore the power of dynamic components further. Experiment with different component libraries, dive deeper into the capabilities of Next.js and Tailwind CSS, and discover how these tools can empower you to build the next generation of web experiences.